At 8:26, you are looking at live pictures from outside our WXIA studio in Midtown, where Johnny says we have gotten 4 inches of snow, where winds are gusting and the roads are impassable. In fact, road crews are asking us to ask you to please stay off the roads so that they can get them sanded and salted and taken care of. Now, we are not the only ones experiencing treacherous conditions. Several tornadoes have blown through the state of Florida, and Scott Henson brings us the details.
This is all that's left of his mobile home after a tornado passed overhead.
Snow Jim, yeah!
Over and I went over with it. And when it was over, where were you? Out there at my fence line, about 150 feet away, and my wife, she was on the fence somewhere. Lake County officials say daughter yelling fire. I was trouble with the since the storm knocked out power. The woman couldn't run water to fight the flames and couldn't even phone for help. As if to remind them of the night they couldn't forget if they tried.
I'm still shaking.
You want panic?
Yes.
Really panic.
My kitty, what? Ooh, did you trip? What's that? What's that?
That's a softball.
It's a softball?
Yeah. Let me get your bag for those. You can put those on underneath your pants.
Our ledge right here on our stairway. And I'll show you here the snow. I'm trying to put out to that first level. So about 2 inches there. But, you know, we were talking about the snow drift and how the snow is not only blowing from the street.
But I only got like one package of them, so some crackers and some
Okay, here they go.
The only problem is I only have 2 cans of tomato soup.
Well, things are pretty much closed down there.
Well, I know that's not enough to
You're not finding any, you didn't see, how far did you ride your bikes around here?
I went under the tunnel on the freeway.
Do you have hair?
Yeah. That was my parents' freaking frack trying to get in the sled. I bet you they will fall off at least twice. Or more. Yep, we hear them. Bobsled's to the north. Yeah, watch them fall. Let's go! Don't fall off, that's a word of caution. There they go.
Come on, videotape us!
There goes freaking frack. There's once. I don't know if you got that, but there they are. That's the first time. You can't see them well, neither can I. Well, I think that's Frick waving. Indeed it is. And, oh, look who's up there. Where's that little birdie at? Woohoo! Here comes Frick and Frock again. Frick waves his hand. Let's get an aerial view of this. There goes Frick. Ooh, snow particles. Hello?
Y'all just watch out for the pole here, okay, guys?
Michael, move!
James! All right, hold it, guys. James, I missed that one on camera. I should have had that one. Evil Knievel.
I was like this, I wish I had autopilot.
That's it. Go. There it is. Mom, guys, move.
Wait a minute.
Somebody want to go with us?
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Hey, Marty.
Okay, gang.
Michael. Watch out!
All right, John. John. Hey, John. I'm on for snowballs. Don't tempt me, guys.
All right, who's coming next?
Bring that up for me. I want to try and stand up in that thing. Oh, okay. That's all right.
Just watch out for the pole. Guess what? I don't know if I got that or not. I was just watching you with my own eyes. Do that again.
Do that again?
Just watch out for the pole. That's all.
Marty,
What?
take Nikki down on this side. She wants to go down on the.
All right.
Okay, guys. Get off.
Eddie, come on. Okay. All right, Joshua.
If I start heading towards you and the camera ends up shooting the sky,
I'm ready.
you ready?
Yeah.
I'm not sure that I am.
Surfer Bob.
Didn't fall that time.
Hey, that was pretty good, Eddie.
I give that 100.
Okay, Bob, come here, take a picture for me, will you?
200.
Move! Chris, guys, get out of the way. They're going all the way to the end.
And they're off. So pretty.
All the way down the hill and out.